In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and delete folders in Yahoo Mail on your desktop. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Yahoo Mail account. So, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Yahoo Mail homepage. From there, enter your credentials, and once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your inbox. This is where all your incoming emails are neatly listed. Now, let's move on to creating a folder. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll find a sidebar that presents several options for managing your emails. What you're looking for is the section labeled Folders. It might be a bit further down, so don't hesitate to scroll through the sidebar until you spot it. Once you find the Folders section, hover over it or give it a click. You should notice a new folder option appear, often accompanied by a plus sign next to it. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. Doing so will bring up a prompt that allows you to create a new folder. Now comes the fun part, naming your folder. Think about the types of emails you intend to organize. Maybe it's emails related to work, or personal messages, or even specific project titles. Choose a name that makes sense to you and is easy to remember. After you've settled on a name, press Enter on your keyboard. This action will officially create your new folder, which will appear under the Folders section. With your folder in place, you can now drag and drop any relevant emails into it, helping you keep everything neat and organized. But what if you've created a folder that you no longer need and want to delete it? Not to worry, it's a straightforward process. First, you'll need to locate the folder in question within the same left-hand sidebar. Once you've found it, right-click on the folder. A menu will pop up right away with a few different options. What you're looking for is the Delete Folder option. Go ahead and select it. After you click Delete Folder, a confirmation prompt will appear. This step is pretty crucial because deleting the folder will also remove any emails contained within it. Make sure you're certain about this decision, and if you're sure, click OK, or Confirm to complete the deletion process. And there you have it. The folder and its contents are removed from your account. You've just learned how to create and delete folders in Yahoo Mail, which will undoubtedly make managing your emails a breeze. With your folders in place, finding what you need is quicker and keeping track of your important messages becomes simpler. Thank you for tuning in.